Hey guys, welcome back to Click and Fix. Today we're going to see how to install Deepseek AI directly locally on your PC so that you don't have any privacy issues using an AI language model. Now, as you can see, Deepseek R1 is the latest version of the AI that is even faster at doing things than ChatGPT 4 or even Claude or any AI, and this has been like the real talk for the last few weeks now. So Deepseek R1 can be run locally on your machine using language LM Studio. So this software helps you run local large language models on your PC directly, and based on your system you're going to be selecting the installation file. In my case it's the Windows one, so I've selected Windows to install the language model into it, Deepseek. So Deepseek is currently trending, and that's why I've made this video, so you guys know how to run a language model with your own privacy of not sharing your data with anyone. Now double click on the exe file, go ahead, click next, and I'm going to just fast forward it. It's going to take a while for you guys to install, but yeah, once you're done, hit run LM Studio and next, close. Now you can see the page where you have all the options available. Make sure you select developer down here, only then you would be able to download the language models over there. So head over to the search bar and you should see all the models that are available to install on your LM Studio. So as you can see, there's a few available. You can see Deepseek R1, the digital one, with the other one is the large language model over there. So I'm going to go with the Llama, and as you can see it's going to take 4.92 gigs of my space. I've hit download. Now you have to wait until the download's finished, so I'm just going to fast forward this process. And again, you can run this depending on any PC, even if you have an 8 gig laptop. The only thing is that, don't forget to subscribe guys. So the only thing is that it's going to be taking a while, and at the same time it can run without an internet connection as well. Now once you're completed downloading, you can click on load download, and now you can see it's loaded the chat screen there. Now I'm just typing how to make an AI influencer. Now I'm connected to the internet, just so you know, so just to show you how things work when the internet is connected as well. Now the thinking is what is happening inside your query. You can even upload like any files if you want to ask anything regarding the file or to summarize documents and stuff, just like any other AI would do for you guys. Now if you hit settings, you should be able to go into hardware and select balanced or relaxed to make sure that you don't run out of memory while using the software. Now I've fast forwarded it for you, but it will take a while for you guys, because it took me 1 minute and 32 seconds to generate this response, but at the same time it completely works on your laptop. Remember that, so that you have the privacy that you will never get from any other AI online. So as you can see, it has done a really good job. Now I'm just going to turn off the Wi-Fi just to show you if I can still run queries and use the AI while not being connected to the internet. As you can see on the top right bottom corner, the RAM usage is 3.99 gigs. So my laptop can handle a bit more, so I've put it to relax. You can set it to strict if you'd like. Now, I'm just going to type the query and write a code. It can even write codes. As you can see, once the processing is done, it will start typing in your code, exactly something similar to people using Claude would have experienced. You can even write programs and softwares and everything, and you can make new chats, and it will even show you how many tokens you've used. Now I hope you like the video, so if you do like the video, please do hit like, subscribe, and please do share the video guys. This is a quick look on how to install Deepseek R1 model. Thanks for watching guys.